Hello class, so today we're going to be working on area model division. So we're going to be drawing an area model just like we did when we were doing multiplication and then divide our number. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to write down our problem. So there are two different ways that you could write down our problem. You could do it like this where it's 821 divided by 6. Or you could draw it this second way where you have the 6 on the outside and the 821 on the inside. Next, we're going to be writing our number in expanded form. So that's 800 plus 20 plus 1. After that, we're going to be wanting to draw our box with our numbers on the inside. So our 821 will be inside of our box. And then since there are 3 different numbers when we make our expanded form, you're going to have 3 different boxes. Now we're going to be drawing our place value blocks. So I like to draw my place value blocks in groups of my divisor, so in groups of 6. I didn't have enough space, so I did it in groups of 3 because I know that 3 plus 3 is 6. And then with 20, I only needed 2 10s, and with 1, I only needed 1. So now it is time to be circling our groups of our divisor. So our divisor is 6. So that goes on the outside of our box. And now I'm ready to circle groups of 6. 800 only has one group of 6. So I'm going to put that 1 on the top, and then I'm going to bring my zeros up because it's not just 1, it's 100. So the value of that is 100. Really, there are 100 groups of 6 in 800. Here I have 200 left over. I wrote 20 because I know that I need 20 10s to make 200. So here I'm drawing my 20 10s to make 200. Now that I've drawn those, I'm still working with my groups of 6. So I'm looking at my 20 10s plus my 2 10s, and then I'm circling my groups of 6. I have 3 groups of 6, and then I have to bring that 0 up, because really there are 30 groups of 6, and that would be in 220. I have 40 left over, right? So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm drawing 40 ones in my ones category. And remember, I'm drawing my ones in really nice and neat groups of 6 because I know I'm going to be circling my groups of 6 next. So now that I have my 40 ones drawn in groups of 6, it is time to circle my groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 groups of 6 in what was 41, right? I counted that I have 5 dots left over. You know this, that the 6, that's bigger than 5. So we know that we are done with that, and 5 will be the remainder. Our very last step is to add together these numbers on the top, where we get 136. And then we can't forget about our remainder. So now we have our answer, which will be 136 with our remainder 5.